ladies and gentlemen, and this is the Hoover Dam, one of the largest dams in the world. Yeah, it's a great dam. 1 second, let me just... And we're back. Sorry about that, I paused the video. Anyways, this is their electrical current, and this is actually some information about it. Okay. And we are going all the way to Arizona right now, over there. As you can see, this is all of the mountainous areas. We're right now in Nevada. Or are we? Because we are walking right now to Arizona. So we are right above a lot of water. This is more information about the bridge. I'm sorry about that. And as you can see, there are great power lines. These are electrical power lines. And the reason I'm running is because before this video ends, I want to be in Arizona. 1 second. This is another part about their construction. And as we go across this wonderful bridge on the Hoover Dam, we see the electrical currents over there and here, and that is the medallion right there. This is just more building constructions ideas, building greatness. As you can see, this is more stuff about building. And 1 second. And right now we are in Nevada, as you can see, and this right now will show us that we're gonna walk into Arizona. 3, 2, 1. We're in Arizona. Atmosphere feels different, I guess. And we're in Arizona. Nothing really to say. Nothing changed. I expected there to be a great change. There's just, like, we're directly now under the water. So, yeah. Anyways, I'll be right back. And anyways, I need to go now. See ya. Bye.